Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you the new Christmas decoration at Dollar Tree. And here are the ornaments, and I'm going to show you slowly so you can see them all. And here are the wall decor that has beautiful sayings and images for Christmas. Now in this section you will see all the miniatures for making a Christmas village. And all of the miniatures, including the buildings, are made of plastic. All of the buildings, they have batteries and a LED light included. And these one are some miniatures that you can use in your pots in the garden. And these are made of ceramic. here are some LED lights that you can use with your miniatures. And these are tiny ornaments, and also the Christmas trees that are very small. The Dollar Tree has it for only $1.25. And here you can find some molds and also some baggies for sending treats. And here they have some scarves, and they are in different colors, and also this one that looks like Santa's outfit. And they have this tie that looks so pretty, and they also have headbands in different designs, like this one with a little hat of Santa, and then they have this one that is reindeer's ear, then this one too, and they also have Santa's hat in different colors. And here are the craft supplies that are fun for working with your kids and also making embellishments and use them for DIYs. And they have lots of boxes for small gifts. They also have Christmas decoration for the kitchen. As you can see, some pot holders. They have also these towels and paper plates. And they have this Christmas dinnerware set. And they also have these Christmas mugs that you can use them for making gifts. And they also have these chair covers. And for the outdoors, you can find these beautiful solar LED lights that you can hang like these beautiful ornaments, and it's solar, so it doesn't need batteries. And also these cute designs for a path. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribe for more. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.